You have a clear goal in mind. You know what you want, and you think you know how to get there. But that is not enough. Wanting something, even if you can taste it, is not enough to achieve it. We need a path, a plan, and to stay focused. But how do we do that? How do we stay focused on our goals every day, even if the goal you set for yourself is years away? Well, we break it down into simple steps that will bring achieving your goals closer than you have ever imagined. Stay tuned for the top 10 ways to stay focused on achieving your goals. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our fresh content. If you like learning with us and growing your mind, please give us a thumbs up. This small show of support helps us out so much and also allows others to find our content easier when they need it. So go ahead and pay it forward. Set up the night before. Timing is everything when you have a goal. Use timing to your advantage and make each day a little easier. When are you more productive? When you first open your eyes in the morning or before you go to bed? Let me rephrase this. How many times has your alarm clock went off and you continue to lay in bed with your eyes closed, trying to decide what to wear? How many times have you fallen asleep during this process? Yeah, that's what I thought. Do all these little preparation tasks before you go to bed each night. Lay out your clothes for the following day, set up your coffee to brew on a timer, pack your bags and set them near the door, and take out whatever you plan to eat for dinner the next day. Finally, sit down and plan out your day and include all of your must-dos and obligations. You will sleep much more soundly and future you will be so much happier that past you had everything prepared. Write them down. A goal that is not written down is just a wish. As much as I wish that I had made that up, I did not. I heard it once a long time ago, but I don't quite remember where. Writing your goals down makes them real. Once they are real, they must be dealt with. Write down all of your goals, both big and small. Write down your to-do list and everything you need to get done in a day. Finally, keep a notebook and write down all of your anxious thoughts that flood your mind, all the amazing ideas that you come up with in a day, and even anything you need to pick up from a store. Writing things down gets them out of your head and on paper so that they don't take up space and waste precious energy. These pages do not have to be pretty or even grammatically correct. This is just for you to review later. Read them every morning. Go over your goals every morning. Repeat them to yourself, out loud. This keeps them present and in your reality. Never forget your goal. Let it be the driving force in everything you do. Keeping it present allows you to think of how you can direct your energy towards achieving it. Don't just review your long-term goals, but also your short and middle-ranged goals as well. Out of sight, out of mind quickly comes true when you don't remind yourself of what you want to accomplish. It's really easy to slide back into old habits or lose track of all the progress you've made when you don't keep in mind why you're doing it. Do at least one thing to further your goals every day. This can be something as little or as big as your day allows. Goals cover as vast a spectrum as the individual setting them. It can be something like keeping all of your obligations or sliding in something new. Whatever your day brings, try to take it as a brand new opportunity to get one step closer to achieving your dreams. Manage your time effectively. I will never be the one to say that you should spend 100% of your time productively. Burnout is a real thing, and self-care is a necessity. Sometimes you need to be able to rest and take a breather. But if you want to achieve your goals, you will need to make measurable progress. Make sure that you are not wasting time that you should be using productively. Complete all of your obligations or to-dos before you indulge in your wants. Procrastination is the biggest time waster there is, and it comes with many faces. Do not fall into this trap. Plan your day. It is much easier to complete everything you need to accomplish in a day when you have a clear plan. Write down your must-dos in a planner along with your hope-to-dos. Ticking off this list will motivate you to tackle even more projects, and eventually you will finish this list faster than expected. Planning your day will also give you a clear understanding of what is actually possible to accomplish in the time you have. This is essential to being realistic about what you will be able to accomplish. As much as possible, try to anticipate how long a task will take and assign time blocks to each item on your list. Having all these tasks organized will give you a clear understanding of the time remaining on a project, and less likely that items not completed will be forgotten about when planning out the next series of days. Take time out for self-care. We often expect greatness out of ourselves, but do not invest the time into making sure that we are able to achieve it. We must treat ourselves with the same care, dignity, and excellence as the output we expect. Taking care of ourselves, both inside and out, is one positive step. We need to take time out for ourselves to unwind, laugh, and enjoy our life and our journey. While we are busy focusing on our future and achieving our dreams, do not forget the vessel that is propelling us towards them. Being kind to ourselves and taking care not to burn out is as necessary as setting the goals in the first place. Create a support network. Having a support network to not only hold you accountable to achieving your goals, but to uplift you along the way is vital. These people can help to motivate you with positivity along the way and can often be the best sort of feedback and opportunities. This support network can be, but is not limited to, friends, family, classmates, educators, and even business or work associates. Never miss an opportunity to network in your area of interest. You never know when you might cross paths with someone in the future and what position either of you will be in. Much of the professional world is about who you know, and having a network of people who can support you and create opportunities for you is an amazing advantage. On the flip side, knowing trustworthy, competent, reliable people in your field can also be an asset when you are in a position to help others or create a team of your own. Love what you do. Nothing motivates you more than having a passion for what you do. If you love what you do, it will not be a chore. Little motivation will be required to get you up and started in the morning. Having this passion can give you much more incentive and attention to detail to complete your projects, giving you a clear advantage. Reward yourself along the way. It is important to celebrate our wins, not just the big ones, but even the little ones. Big goals should always be broken down into smaller, manageable pieces that take no more than a month or so to complete. These are important milestones to track progress and should be celebrated as an accomplishment. Do not forget to acknowledge your hard work and give yourself an extra special pat on the back when you achieve this kind of progress. It is no small feat. If you stay focused on your goals and follow your plan on how you will get there, you will find that making progress is much easier than you ever thought. Stay focused and realistic about your expectations, and before you know it, you will look back and realize how far you've come. How do you stay focused on your goals? Leave them in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you are so inclined, give us a thumbs up so we know you want more videos like this. Also, check out our website to get exclusive content and study materials. Just click the link in the description. Or, since you're already here, check out our study hacks and our organizational tips playlists to help you stay on top of not only schoolwork, but life as well. Be absolutely prepared, absolutely confident, absolutely stunning, with absolutely studying.